A slice of heaven, the joy of homemade Swiss roll. There is something truly special about a homemade Swiss roll. It's a delight that speaks of love and care. Light, airy sponge cake gently rolled with a sweet, luscious filling. What could be more comforting? Let's create this joy together. Your Swiss roll starter kit ingredients you'll need. For the cake, you'll need 3 large eggs, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the filling, you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And if you want to go the extra mile, for the optional ganache, you'll need half a cup of heavy cream and 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate chopped. Baking artistry begins. Creating your chocolate sponge. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 10 by 15 inch baking sheet. This is our cake's cozy bed. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs and sugar. Whisk until the mixture is pale and thick. This creates air for a light sponge. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, folding gently until just combined. Overmixing will make the cake tough. Pour the batter into the prepared baking sheet and spread evenly. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the cake springs back when lightly touched. Roll up, roll up! While the cake is still warm, lay a clean kitchen towel on a flat surface. Dust the towel lightly with powdered sugar. This prevents sticking. Carefully invert the hot cake onto the prepared towel. Gently peel away the parchment paper. Starting at the shorter end, tightly roll the cake up with the towel. This creates the classic Swiss roll shape. Let the cake cool completely while rolled. The sweetest embrace. While the cake cools, prepare the filling. In a chilled bowl, beat the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, beating until well combined. Carefully unroll the cooled cake. Spread the whipped cream filling evenly over the cake, leaving a small border around the edges. This ensures a neat roll. Gently re-roll the cake, this time without the towel. Place the Swiss roll seam side down on a serving platter. For an extra touch of indulgence, drizzle your Swiss roll with a simple chocolate ganache. In a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat. Bring just to a simmer. Remove from heat and add the chopped chocolate. Let it stand for a few minutes, then stir until smooth and glossy. Pour the ganache over the cooled Swiss roll, allowing it to drip down the sides. Time to indulge. Your homemade chocolate Swiss roll is ready to be enjoyed. Slice generously and savor the moment. Whether for a special occasion or a simple afternoon treat, this classic dessert is sure to delight. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share.